Unit cells are helpful because they allow scientists to describe how crystals form without keeping track of the individual atoms and molecules. Instead, we can demonstrate crystal growth by showing that unit cells connect to each other. However, they must preserve their symmetries. For example, cubes have a lot of symmetry, as we found, so they build pretty easily. On the other hand, rhombohedrons have to be stacked in more specific ways if we want to build the crystal out. If the proper symmetries are not preserved, then you won't end up with a very large crystal. These growth defects can get in the way. For the same reason, you can't build a continuous crystal out of multiple types of unit cells. The symmetries won't be properly preserved, and you won't get very far.